Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to give you the sneak peek what is coming on my channel. I will start a new series all about the zero trust security. So in this video I have created a slide where you can learn more about the zero trust and also what will be coming in this series. So by the end of this video you will know what the zero trust security is all about and all those kind of good things, so you can prepare yourself for this tutorial series. So I hope you like it. Feel free to leave comments down below and let's continue with the slide I prepared for you. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the camera so you can see the slides better. And yeah, this will be the new tutorial series on Webnestify channel. And first question is, what we need to answer is, what is zero trust? Zero trust is a strategic approach to cybersecurity that eliminates the concepts of trust from an organization network architecture. It is rooted in the principle of never trust and always verify. It requires all users, whether in or outside to the organization network, to be authenticated, authorized, and continuously validated for security configuration and posture before being granted or keeping access to applications and data. This means that all users that want to connect, for example, to your server or do the FTP or anything related with your servers, web applications, whatever is in your network, they will need to always verify. As you can see, also the zero trust security approach is verify every user. You need to also validate your device and also intelligently limit your access. So what are the core principles of zero trust? The zero trust model is built on three core principles. First one is verify explicitly. Every access request must be made authenticated and authorized based on all available data points, including user identity, device, location, and other variables that dictate access levels. Next one is least privilege access. Users are given the minimum access necessary to perform their duties. This greatly limits the lateral movement within the network, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive data. Assume breach. Operating under the assumption that breaches can and will occur, zero trust architecture focuses on limiting the impact of breach with robust detection and response mechanism, rather than merely trying to prevent breaches outright. So always when you spin something up in the cloud, in your home lab, in your local network, you always need to have in mind that breaches can and will occur at any time and any place. Implementing the zero trust. Implementing a zero trust architecture involves several key steps and considerations. Identity verification. Strong authentication methods such as multi-factor authentication (MFA) are essential to verify the identities of all users attempting to access the network resources. Device security. Ensuring that all devices meet the organization's security standards is critical. This may involve device management solutions that can enforce security policies and check the security posture of all devices in your network. Microsegmentation. Dividing the networks into smaller, isolated segments prevents lateral movement by attackers within the network, which will limit the spread of the breaches. Least privileges and just-in-time access. Access rights are strictly enforced, with users granted access to only the resources they need for a limited time. They don't need access to SSH 24/7, right? So we can specify the times, etc., and all the good stuff. Continuous monitoring and response. The network must be continuously monitored for suspicious activity, with automated responses to quickly mitigate any threat found. What are the benefits of Zero Trust? Adopting a Zero Trust model offers several benefits. It will enhance security posture by verifying all access requests regardless of their origin. Zero Trust significantly reduces the attack surface. Improved compliance. Zero Trust frameworks help organizations meet regulatory requirements by providing detailed access controls and audit trails. Greater visibility and control. Continuous monitoring and strict access control gives organizations greater visibility into the networks and more control over your data. Adaptability. Zero Trust is adaptable to a variety of IT environments, including cloud, on-prem, and hybrid models. And for the conclusion about the basics of Zero Trust security model offers a robust and flexible approach to securing organizational resources. By assuming that threats can come from anywhere and implementing strict access controls and continuous verification, organizations can significantly enhance their cybersecurity postures. As we move forward, Zero Trust is not just a security strategy. It's becoming a necessity for safeguarding the digital assets of modern enterprises and businesses just like yours. So what I'm planning to do in our Zero Trust journey. As we embark on this exciting journey together towards building a comprehensive Zero Trust network, our approach is centered around leveraging the best of free and open source applications, coupled with the enhanced protection offered by Cloudflare Access features, all at no cost. This endeavor is not just about implementing a security model, it's about empowering the community with the knowledge and tools to achieve security without financial barriers. Many tools and applications that will be part of this series are free and open source for use. But if you grow, they're also going to be, for example, if you want to offload some, you can also use their software as a service solutions. So to get started, everything is free, right? So it is very nice to get the idea, the hands-on experience, and as you grow, you can implement everything automatically. So first, what we need to talk is Cloudflare Access. Cloudflare Access is a part of Cloudflare Zero Trust solution that secures, authenticates, and monitors user access to internal applications without a VPN. It operates on the principle of least privileges, ensuring that only authenticated users with the necessary permissions can access specific applications or resources, aligning with the core tenets of Zero Trust security, which highly emphasizes verifying everything and trusting nothing within your network. Next, what we need to talk about is how are we going to verify the user's identity. So we will delve deep into the setting up and configuring the identity provider, in short IDP, application Authentic. Authentic stands at the forefront of our Zero Trust architecture, ensuring secure and seamless authentication processes. We will explore its configuration, management, and integration with our network to ensure that only authenticated users can access the resources they are authorized for. So we will integrate Authentic into the Cloudflare Zero Trust. Next, what we need to talk is about secure peer-to-peer networking. In addition to Authentic, we will introduce and integrate NetBird into our ecosystem. Network plays a crucial role in connecting and authenticating access to our resources through various posture checks. These checks are vital for verifying the security status of devices attempting to connect to our network, ensuring that they meet our stringent security standards before gaining access. As you may know, on my channel I talk about the VPNs, open source VPNs, and dedicated IP address. This approach is good, is basic, but is not zero trust in mind, right? So NetBird, what is NetBird doing is also a WireGuard VPN, but that will create the local host network, the local network, and that uses more advanced WireGuard encryption, etc. So it is a lot more powerful than typical blank VPS. For example, with NetBird, once you set it up, you can completely disable port 22 to be open on public. You can only access it through the NetBird local network. So this application is again fully free and fully open source, which is amazing. I really can't wait to introduce you to the NetBird. And also other applications and tools. So we will also cover the essential tools and applications for remote management and other resources that are instrumental in achieving the zero trust security across all devices. We will explore how these applications can be utilized to further fortify our network, ensuring airtight security that spans every corner of our digital environments. So yeah, the Zero Trust series is more just a set of tutorials. It's a comprehensive guide designed to take you from the foundational concepts of Zero Trust security to the actual practical implementation of a Zero Trust network using free and accessible tools. Whether you are a security professional, IT enthusiast, or just keen on enhancing your digital security posture, this series will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of Zero Trust security. So join Webnestify as we build together secure, resilient, and trustworthy digital ecosystem together, demonstrating that advanced security is really achievable and accessible to everyone. So I invite you to stay tuned for Zero Trust Security series tutorials, and those will be seriously deep dives into the roots of the e-software, how we can configure it, etc. So some parts will require more labor, like setting up everything, and also changing the mindset when it comes to servers, web applications on the publicly available networks. Because Zero Trust is not, as I mentioned, is not about just setting up everything Zero Trust. You need to have a mindset of Zero Trust. That breaches can and will happen anytime, anywhere. Whether you are asleep or not, somebody will get access to the data. So this series is all about implementing the Zero Trust and limiting what those attackers can get. So I hope you like this video. Give it a like, share it, and also feel free to comment down below. So as I mentioned, stay tuned for upcoming Zero Trust series tutorials, and yeah, take care everyone. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.